People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Welcome to Livefoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Blessed love and greetings all of my viewers and subscribers. I don't know all of my kings and queen, all of my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed and I video you find the best of health. I don't know vlog where vlog on the go. And the one is about greatness, giving back. Yes, Papa. The one is about giving back. See? I see from see people that give back, that light up my life. It brings a joy in my life. You know? Yes, it's very, 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 very considerate. You know what I mean? I mean, I say, big up Junior Reid. Enough people here talk about the man mean. Big up Junior Reid. Enough of them are rich, you know, now do it, you know. Yeah, enough of them can help someone financial wise, medical wise, food wise, musical wise, and them not do it because them all for themselves. So I have to big up Junior Reid, I have to commend him on this one. See the man I give back to the people in the garrison. You know what I mean? Not the small it is, the greatest thing, he might give back. You know what I mean? And the people appreciate it. So what's Junior Reid? What should I go on with? When you could have come from Rima or you come from jungle, could have come from Painland or you come from a Kylian, one blood. The Lacrillian, one blood. Stop the war. Alright, watch her now. Flitters Bass. I do film part too. Flitters Bass, you know Flitters Bass always I give back. Flitters Bass always I give back. See? And the man have some things pack up on the floor, dash way. When I go like him say dash water and sleep. Yeah, the man I give a bit. So I have something for the poor people who have them arthritis and them sugar and all of them illness, you know what I mean? You might give back to the people in the community or whichever way you want to give it out of community to and also for your family. But the greatest thing again, he must show the love and the appreciation. You get me? So watch the Flitters Bass are going with.
Yeah man, see that? That's how we deal with the charity, you know. Yeah man, poor people, the goodies that come here. Yeah man, the food that come poor people, man. All bound. Yeah man, this is not how nobody give you know. This is for our own. Yeah man, hard working money. We are there, Jamaica, we're coming. Prepare, look out. Yeah man, this I want somebody hard, you know. Cause so we are digging it, you know. Maybe this can split between pedal and arthritis. You see me? Then I can split between pedal and arthritis. The rest of the thing them around there, so one circle, Waltham, Maxwell, Arthur Tree, downtown, the rest of the thing them around there, so that's how we deal with it, brother. No bag of talking. So this at all can split this. Pedal and arthritis can get this. You see me? Yeah man. Papa thing them round there, so that my brother okay I put Papa thing them one side, so we're there, barrel are coming. Look out feet for the clear it. Yeah man. Manners and thanks man. That's how we deal with it. And no bag of talking. From nothing to something, from tin mackerel to bread and butter, tell you where I go give out goodies. Oh God's so sweet man. Love you God. Thank you God.
Yes man, big up Flitters Bass for now man. I have to commend Flitters Bass Raga Ruggie saying man always do him thing and I give back to somebody. You get what I say? Enough people can do it and not do it because of them all for themselves. Seeing? So big up Raga Ruggie, go on the greatness, no what you talk, a realness of a fakeness. Seeing? Yes, my people, big up on yourself, man. You don't know. A lion foot, you know, and big up all of my fans, them. Yo, brother Links! It's a pleasure to see you on the street. You see it? Nicole, big up yourself. Do give thanks for the shout out. Yeah, man, big up all of my viewers and subscribers, man. More to check out that song, yeah. Battlefield. It's about depression. Seeing and how I get to wrote this song, you know what I mean? One of my friends called me, true story, you know, say, why I feel down and depressed and like, man, give up. You know, you can't do that. And it kind of affect me. All day up on my mind, you see me? I say, John, you can't give up, bro. One fight, and you're not now going on him, baby mother pressure and all of them things there. And, you know? Mother, man say, yo, nothing, I'm losing work, everything, you see me? I saw come write the song. Good well now, but the song just feel like we release it and it released last week. It's available to download and stream. It's called Battlefield. See, it's about depression, you know what I mean? Upliftment. So me I say, you say you're having suicidal thoughts, try ignore that. Kick it out, shut it out, block it out. There are people out there worse than you, did you know that? So give thanks and be grateful. You claim say people are watching and chat and laugh and criticize you, so what? Don't make them drain your energy. Live your life to please yourself and no one else. That me I tell you, bro, God. On the battlefield, you have to fight brave like a lion. Yeah, man, it's available on all platforms. I'm going to put the link in the comment section as well. So you can go pre it, man. You see it? Big up on yourself, all my lion and my lioness, all my kings and queens, viewers and subscribers. Blessed love. Love on you, yeah? Peace out. I'm out.
Big up Lionfoot, subscribe to the channel now. Representative from Afghanistan families. Yo, peace out.